I'm going to get you going so fast with your Krea 2. I'm going to save you a ton of time. Listen, we've got raw models, we've got GUF models, we've got turbo models, and guess what? You got to have the right workflow, and you got to get them from the right place as well. How are you supposed to know where to get the particular models? It says, this one says it should work, but it doesn't. Why is that? Well, don't worry about it. We got you sorted out here at Get Going Fast, because that's what we do, and you know what? We're going to get you going fast here, so hang in there. Be using these workflows over here. They're actually from this guy named Vantage with AI, so you should definitely go check out his stuff. He does a lot of the quants for us, the GUF things, and breaking the FP8 down. So obviously this guy is doing good yeoman's work. Hey Vantage, if you're out there, what's up, brother? Come say hi to me sometime. Would love to chat you up. You guys can tell him, if you guys go over there, you can tell him that Gary said yo. All right, well, we're going to be getting these here in a little bit. I'm going to give you a code. We're going to go to getgoingfast.pro, and we'll just click on this codes button. I'm going to give you a little code, and that's going to give you the workflows that we're going to be using. Okay, I will tell you, though, the absolute fastest way to get going with the project that we're about to do is just to go to getgoingfast.pro and, well, click the projects button. You're going to see that right here's, get this finger here, right there is the ComfyUI model manager. So if you just click that, as a member, you're going to get your downloads. So you just start in your ComfyUI, get it going, you're going to get going fast. If you are not a member, you can also buy it as a one-off. All right, so let's move to the next thing now. As I mentioned, these are the workflows that we're going to be using. I'm going to show you how to actually use them, and then we'll go ahead and download them and get you working with them. So we're going to have two of these. The first one here is a pretty simple one here. This is going to be able to be used with your turbo models. This is particularly for your FP8. The biggest thing that you got to know is just this is where your prompts go. And like I said, you got your LoRa's. Oh, actually, we already had a LoRa loader in here. So this one is actually redundant. You actually don't need this. If we click that delete, notice how it connected to the other one there, which was kind of cool. So anyway, so here's where your LoRa's are. If you want to change your size, well, there you go. Change it right there. I'm going to tell you, though, even at 2048, the FP8 does it in just a matter of a few seconds. So incredible fast model. Now, I'm going to click over here, and let's show you the GUF one here. So this one also, notice it's going to be able to do the turbo, but you can also run the raw in here as well if you've downloaded that is all. I'm not going to bother with the using the raw because I'm going to tell you the truth. The raw is used for training. Okay, so they even said it in the GitHub repository, which we're going to look at. The main purpose of that is so that you can actually train your LoRa's and then run it in the turbo. It's not intended to be ran another way. So let's pop back over to here. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, and essentially we're seeing the same type of stuff here. Up here is where our models are going to go through your turbo, your raw. But notice this one down here is highlighted out. Okay, that means it's being bypassed. It's like, think about water or electricity flowing through, and they put a stop there, so it's not going any further. But now if we look at right over here, okay, right there, you're going to see that you can enable safe tensors or GUF. So this all depends on which model you're going to use. If you click the GUF, notice the safe tensors clicks over. And then we go up here and hey, oh, yo, it flopped between here. And then you can grab whatever you want. The Q2 being about the lowest that you can go. Notice down here they did put extra power loader here. That's this little thing right here. And that has a lot of different LoRa's in there that are not downloaded, but you can use them. You can go find them and download them. They kind of put that there as a, just kind of a guide so you could find some stuff if you want it. Okay, now, same thing. You're going to have to put your support files here. We'll go through this in just a moment. Here's your width and your height. So that's obviously the important parts. Again, you don't really need to worry about a whole lot of this stuff. You can play around with this all you want, but to just get going, do stuff, you just need to get the model in, use your LoRa, and then put your prompts, okay? And you're going to end up getting something that is, kind of cool like that. I mean, amazing model. Absolutely incredible stuff. So let's pop back over here to getgoingfast.pro and let's get those workflows. Just go ahead here and you can just click on the codes button here. It's going to bring up this page. Now, if you're not a free member, it'll just ask you to sign up. And we use Cloudflare, so it'll protect all of that information coming in. But you just got to click it, you'll get in there. And then you just type in the word Krea 2. Okay, it's going to look actually something. It's going to download into someplace like this. You probably want to keep it close to your ComfyUI folder. Usually what I do is I'll just actually create a folder called workflows. And inside of there, then I can put the stuff. But really all you need to do is extract this. Okay, if you got WinRAR, you just click WinRAR and then click extract here. And it'll put it here. And then you can always just throw these bad boys into there. Get rid of that and look at that. You're all cleaned up and ready to go. So we'll start over here with our Turbo Guff model. Okay, now we're going to start with this one because it actually has our links here, which I can save us a ton of time. And I want you to notice something. We're going to also have loaded up our FP8 over here as well. Look at this one, only has the two models. It has the Turbo model that we're going to get, the FP8, and then it has this Quinn model. Okay, same thing over here. You're going to see that we put our Guffs here, and then where is it down here is going to be our Quinn. Okay, look, this one actually needs a VAE. So we'll get those, and you're going to be able to share them between both models. So I'm probably just going to do this one, and we'll get it going. But let's start. Okay, the importance of using this particular workflow is that these links again are going to take you over to our friend Vantage with AI. Okay, he has the right models. You will be tempted. There is temptation to be had in just going to Google and typing in Krea 2 FP8, and I'm going to tell you that it's going to bring up stuff that's going to bring sorrow into your life. Okay, you'll see like this Winugan, or you'll see this Alpert KTS. Guys, it isn't going to work for you. Okay, I'm not going to say that I'm smart enough to understand the difference, but I know that you just want to go with Vantage's stuff. Vantage wins this round. Okay, stuff. He did the good stuff. So we go over here and we see. Okay, let's start with a good Guff. So you click on that thing. It brings up this actually brings up this page here, and you have all these quants. That's what these Qs mean. Okay, they just we've talked about quants before. Quants are essentially a way of just taking information and kind of shrinking it, like taking a loaf that's this big, making it this big, so that your models can handle it better. It's kind of like truncating, sort of an idea. So if you've got like a 4090 or a 5090 kind of stuff, go ahead and just start with your Q8. Okay, if you're running a bit lower, I always say start with the Q5, start with that KS. That's a good one to start with. That's a real good entry-level thing. You'll just click your downloads, and you'll put it in your ComfyUI folder in the checkpoints, just like this. So when you come to a folder that's got your ComfyUI, you'll want to go here into the folder, right here, in the diffusion models folder. So you click there, diffusion models, and you can see I've got several of them in there. So go ahead and click that, and then we can pop back over to our other one here. So next we're going to go ahead and we need to get the text encoder there. So same thing, just right click on this bad boy, open up in a new tab, and it's going to, same thing, it's going to download it. So when you go over there to grab it, okay, again, just copy it, and then whoops, you're going to paste it here into your ComfyUI. This one, however, you're going to put into your text encoder. So it probably downloaded it to your downloads folder. Go there, cut it, right, click on it, press Control X or right click or something, then come over here and you're going to put it into text encoders and save it. All right, then go over there, do the same thing here with the VAE. Okay, this one though, it's going to pop over and we're going to put it here into, oh man, if we could click right, we're going to put it in, Gosh, man, I can't click. I can't type or click. My gosh. All right, so we'll put it here in this VAE folder. Okay, so there you have it. And then you're ready to go. You just need to go back to your to this screen, hit the refresh button. It'll refresh it up, and then when you click on these, it'll show you the models in there, and you can click the correct one. Do it now. Really quickly with the FP8, it's the same thing. Okay. Notice I forgot this earlier. There's your VAE. You've already got all these downloaded. Just put them in the place they need to go. Okay. And look at, actually, there's some instructions here as well, and you're ready to go, guys. It takes me just a few seconds to do this. So there you go. All right. Well, there you have it. Krea 2 is the next big thing, and you're going to be seeing a lot of it. So a lot of good stuff from me coming out with this. This is the way, this is the thing to get into. If you want to know what people are into, what's happening in AI right now, guys, Krea 2 is a big thing. So go out and have a lot of fun with that. Like I said, you can always go over to getgoingfast.pro. We'll get you going, within just moments, okay? And you got to download and all that good stuff, but we'll get you going down the right path. If the video was helpful, I always do appreciate your likes and your shares. It really does help. So thank you very much for that. And, as usual, you be good, to yourselves and be good to others. See you on the other side. Hey, oh.